If you're trying to figure out how to create a referral email campaign with rewards fast and want to actually see results, this quick tutorial is going to save you hours of trial and error. I've tested the most popular tools out there, and by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to launch your own campaign that not only brings in new leads, but gets your current users excited to spread the word. Oh, and if you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial to the software we're using, just for viewers of my channel, linked in the description. Let's get right into it. First, think of your goal. Are you looking for more customers, newsletter signups, or free trial users? Your reward structure should match the value of what you're asking. Something like a discount code, a free month of your product, or even a gift card can work well. Keep it simple. The easier the reward is to understand and redeem, the more likely people are to share. Now open up the software we'll be using, start a new campaign, and choose the referral or refer a friend template. These templates are built to make this dead simple, even if you've never done this before. Next, craft your email. Start with a short, friendly subject line like, "Get rewarded for sharing," or "Give $10, get $10. The email body should be short, clear, and visually appealing. Explain the benefit, show how easy it is to refer someone, and include a clear CTA button like invite a friend or get your reward. Now the magic part, automation. Inside the software, go to your triggers and make sure the email is sent right after someone signs up, completes a purchase, or hits a key milestone in your funnel. That's when they're most likely to refer others. You can also schedule a reminder email a few days later to boost conversions. Next, track everything. The software automatically generates unique referral links for each user. These links are tracked and reward triggers are handled automatically. You can set a reward limit to prevent abuse or go unlimited if you want viral traction. One bonus tip, use urgency. Add a limited time message like offer valid this week only to your email footer to drive faster action. And finally, test and tweak. See what subject lines and rewards perform best. The software's built-in analytics will show you open rates, referral counts, and reward redemptions in real time. So here's the key takeaway. A referral email campaign with rewards works when it's simple, automated, and genuinely rewarding. That's what gets people talking and sharing. Quick recap. Pick a clear reward that matches your ask. Use a proven template inside the software. Keep your email short, clear, and action-driven. Automate it to trigger at the right moment. Track everything and optimize. If you want to start building your referral campaign today, I highly recommend using the software we've gone through. It's what I use, and there's an exclusive free trial just for my viewers in the description. Thanks for watching. Get started, test your campaign, and I'll see you in the next one.